What are you doing?
I'm taking picture. I want to upload it on Instagram, Facebook, and even
Hold
on my...
on. Go and get me water to drink.
I'm busy now. Can't you see I'm busy?
Go and get me water to drink, my friend.
Is that why you're not shouting? I'll get you water as soon as I finish what I'm doing. Why are you not staring at me like that now? Wait now, go and get your water.
I thought I asked you to get me water, drink.
Is that not your water there? You need Lala to go and carry the water. Please don't disturb me, this man, no.
You know what? You can go with your water.
After all the stress I went to go and fetch the water for you, want me to return it back now? What kind of stress is this now? You're always looking for trouble. This one, you're always looking for my trouble.